Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Gala. I haven't covered this in a while, but I saw earlier this morning it was relatively bullish. That's why I wanted to cover it. I've covered Gala for a tremendously long period of time, quite often. So maybe there's still some sort of a big Gala community out there. It does seem to me, and correct me if I'm wrong, but it does seem to me that the community around Gala is slowly decreasing, and I think that's for quite obvious reasons. I mean, at this point of time, GameFi and the gaming narrative is not hot. Gala itself, in terms of price, has been massively bearish since now the 11th of March, from that all-time high, even though it was a spike, so that's not that, you cannot really compare it. But we're down 77% as well. And Gala has a history of, some shady things, which the community was not treated well. Even though Gala as a project, I always thought had a lot of potential if they did things right and maybe did some better things. But at this point of time, I do think there's opportunities here, and we'll talk about that. We'll talk about some buy opportunities here for Gala, but purely fundamentally, in terms of a good investment, I would not consider Gala. What you see is that, for Gala to be a good investment, what you would need is a more bullish market, I would say. That's the first thing. You need some sort of a gaming narrative, and you need DWF Labs, the market maker behind Gala, to push it a bit. Right? And they pushed it a little bit the 22nd of August, and I think that was DWF at least, together with the markets, because you saw a lot of their projects doing well, so that's always a bit of a telltale sign. But you need that, and at this point of time, neither the market is very bullish, nor is there any gaming narrative. So would I buy for a Gala right now for a longer period of time? No. Would I trade it? Yes. But the thing is that the inflation in terms of how many tokens are minted every day and how many tokens are burned is just ridiculous. All right. So there's a ton of inflation here. There's no reason to really push it up. So don't buy it. Can you trade it? Yes. I would say actually, if you look at this level right here, between 2 cents and 2.05 cents, so 0.0205, that's a main key level here. You can see it's a big level on the 4-hour time frame. It's also a big level on the daily time frame. If we're able to get some sort of a close above that, I think that's bullish, all right? And that's a potential buy. Can we break above that? Yes. Gala, like I said, is actually relatively bullish. It's even outperforming most of the altcoins in the last 8 hours or so. So that's interesting. The chart is also, I mean, we're consolidating, right? We're not super bearish here. So can we get that breakout? Yes. Would I trade it before that breakout? No. Because like I said, what we are basically doing right now is ranging. We're bouncing in between 2.05 cents and then this support level at 1.8 cents. And while we're bouncing around in that level, the risk reward is just not good enough to trade it. But I'm trying to look up the momentum for Gala as well to show you something interesting, or something else that I found was interesting. But you have to wait for that a little bit. But that's another reason why I think we can actually pump. The momentum for Gala right now is quite decent. Some short positions as well, but still. So what do I expect from Gala? I don't expect much yet. I think in terms of price action on the short term, we will consolidate here. I do think short term it's most likely we will push up a bit. Breakout, I don't know. That's something you have to wait for, all right? Ultimately, I would say we will be able to break out and rally up to 2.25 cents at the very least, but that is dependent on the markets. For now, I don't see the breakout happening. If for some reason we do break above 2050 or 2.05 cents, then I would consider buying. Until then, I would stay away. That's my verdict. That's what I think for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.